Hi friends, my name is Rihas. Today I am going to show you how to make a pencil platform game, and I have shared my game, but the shooting game I will upload after a week because I have to think about the enemy's codings. So that's why I'm creating now scratch. So let's press on create and then we go. So next next I will choose from the backpack what I want. So wait a second. To open my backpack. So yeah. So let me drag this pencil platform and let me just delete this and let me just do this. And this is the easy coding view what we are doing. And now our variables and all. So let's paint our sprite as well. So first drag this and click on no color and zoom in to 7. Next, use the dragger. It is more useful for the drag because Java's pencil platformer should be nice. Sorry. So it's like this and drag at the same side of this. So next we are gonna do our player codings. So let's go to the planet platform on this bright one. Name it as player and this is as pen pencil for plat pencil plat for game. So let's drag our sprite here. And now we need to our sprite should move. So for that make a new variable called level. Now make a variable called y velocity. Click on OK and same with x velocity. X velocity. Okay. Next our player lives. Once player lives for this sprite only. Click on OK. So hide this x velocity and y velocity and show the level. So I will close the lives also. So let's drag one green flag. Let's make a new block. First, we have to make a block called tick, and let's define tick. So for that, first we need to grab if block, then go to sensing or and not touching key space, so not key space, drag this right arrow and the change and then change and then change change x velocity by 10, and to the left or right rotation, left right rotation, and then drag or now and go to sensing key B or key left arrow is pressed. So drag another if then keep this here and to again change x, x velocity, not by velocity to minus 10. So set rotation style to left and right. So our next step we need to comment. After that I'll do a comment. So we need to mix the x velocity same for that. Let's for that let's do a block. Let's go to operators, multiply by x velocity, set x velocity by multiplied by x velocity multiplied by 50 or not or minus 50, not minus 50, it's 0.500, and let's mix our x. Next, go to operators, not change x velocity. So for that sake, so we need to broadcast message. So when green flag clicked, drag forever loop, 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 set level, set set level by 1, set level by 1, and go to x 149 and 161 and drag for a loop, and we need it to get another set at x velocity to 0 and this 0 and y velocity to 0. So let's drag this here, and next step we need to broadcast a message. Paste, call a new message. It's called check. So next, when I receive the check, tick, tick. So let's check. So our player can move, but there's some problem. We have to jump. It's crossing the in the wall climber. So in next video I will show you. But at the platformer game it's not same, but it's different than there. No, so let me keep the level visible. And for that we will drag the if then block. We'll drag if then block touching the color. Let's use a color, not this. Yeah, let's use color picker. touching the color, change change y by y1 and duplicate it 6 times. Oh, sorry, the white's coming. Ah, duplicate, right, duplicate once again. I can't even duplicate it. Duplicate it 6 times. Okay, so let me duplicate it once, last time, and drag this whole endings over here. So next part I will show you the jump till here. Until then, bye bye. I subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get more videos in the notification bell. And next in next video for the player we will do jumping. So for that, be stay tuned. So next after this, okay, in 6 we have to multiply x velocity to -1. So first we will do this and I will leave. Oh, sorry. Change x by multiplied by. I'll do this codes only. Except this. Yes, I will not do anything. Minus 1. So that if we jump compared to we do like this, like this, do like this, like this forever. But let's check. See, play can jump, but it's stuck over here. So in next video I will show that. At I'll show that video in part 2, and stay tuned and bye bye, and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get more videos notification in the bell. Well, thank you and thank you.